So what can SMASH postdoc fellows expect when they arrive in Nova Gorica? They can expect to find a university that's located in a really interesting part of the world. We're surrounded by beautiful scenery here, and you don't have to go far to find stunning views and really interesting things to see. But also, its location on the Slovenian-Italian border, and if you haven't gone on Google Maps and looked where the university is located, I urge you to do so. Its interesting location means it's really easy to travel much further. And Slovenia in general, being located in Central Europe, okay, it's easy to get to Italy, Austria, Hungary and Croatia, but also much further. And that'll be really important for the SMASH fellows, because there's no restrictions on where the fellows come from. They can come from any part of the world. But also we'll be encouraging all fellows to go on secondments to one of our partner institutes, our associate partners that are scattered all over the globe. SMASH postdoc fellows can expect to find excellent research infrastructure. We have laboratories and centred at 3 campuses located along the Vipava Valley. We're a research-oriented university. We've always been very strong in applied and interdisciplinary research. And not only that, within SMASH, you have access to facilities at our partner institutes, and very importantly, the Vega supercomputing facilities. And finally, what postdoc fellows can expect to find, they can expect to receive a lot of support. Because SMASH isn't just a research project, it's a career development program. So you'll be receiving support in terms of designing a project to achieve the goals of answering some really important research questions, but also developing skills, personal skills and computing skills that can be applied elsewhere after the duration of the SMASH project, workshops across the network, and of course secondments within Slovenia and to any of our partner institutions.